Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the best AI result with prompt tuning in Adobe Firefly. Let's get started. So what is a prompt tuning? Prompt tuning means adjusting your input prompts to guide the AI more clearly, resulting in sharper, more accurate, and beautiful outputs. So let's get started. So first, all you need to do is to launch the app and choose the generation tool like text to image. Then start with a basic prompt. Like this example here, a mountain landscape at sunrise, and generate the image. Tune the prompt for better detail. Add more specific details to improve results, like style if it's realistic, digital art, or oil painting. Soft lighting for golden hour light, and you can use a shadows soft, and mood for the calm and peaceful. And here is the example tune prompt: a realistic mountain landscape at sunrise with golden hour light and dramatic skies, digital art style. And Firefly will respond well to your visual adjectives. Use a vibrant, minimalist, and cinematic, or high contrast and vintage, and more. Then try the Style and Effects tab. Tap the style and set the preference, like your art style, like watercolor, 3D, or pixel art. Your color tone, what if it's warm, cool, pastel, and this enhance the prompt without needing to add it manually. You can use the image reference, and it's optional. The Firefly will blend it with your text prompts for better accuracy. And experiment with the prompt order, because sometimes switching word order helps. And use a version comparison. You can generate 2 to 3 tweak thoughts and compare which one gives better visual output. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.